Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable Personalised Bixby on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Then, swipe up to go into App Screen and tap on the Samsung folder. Next, we're going to tap on Bixby. Then, we're going to tap on the menu key. From the pop-out, tap on the Settings button. In Settings, go down and tap on Personalization. Then tap on Personalized Bixby. So tap on the switch to turn it on or off. And this will let Bixby tailor your results and suggestions based on your preferences. So if you tap on the left hand side, you can see some more information about it. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.